Hello people. In this video, I am going to show you how to install the LDR sensors of my systems on a piece of track. This is the actual way you will receive the systems for 1/43 and bigger scales. As you can see, the system has one cable ending with a sensor for each lane. You may want to acknowledge that lane 1 is the left one on the display board. On the back, you have the reset button and the USB-C power and data port. The system comes with one small USB-C cable and two spares of the reset button, in case you need them. For this example, I will install this system on a 6 inches long straight of a HO scale track. Nevertheless, keep in mind that my Duo systems for HO tracks do not require this installation procedure. First, identify each lane with their corresponding sensors and make a mark where you want them to be located. I suggest you to install the sensors about 1.5 inches behind the back of the cars when they are on the starting line. In that way, you can rest assured the sensors are well lit once the system starts and the cars are in position. Once you have identified the sensor's position, drill a hole of 5 mm in diameter to place the sensors in them. Afterwards, pass the sensors through the piece of track from the bottom side. This can be easier if you carefully bend a little the LDRs. Strike them back after they are on the upper side of the track. Keep them facing up and as aligned to the surface of the track as possible. Fix the sensors with some fast glue, avoiding as much as possible to contaminate the upper part of the sensors. You can use also hot glue on the bottom side to reinforce them into position. Once the sensors are set, I would suggest you to wrap the cables and fix them under the track to avoid any potential accidents. And so, we are done. Remember that when the system starts, it will read the light it is receiving, mark that as a reference, and it will consider a pass of a car when a shadow is cast over the sensor.